Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is such an exciting video because if you saw by the title, I got this amazing box from Fruits and Passions. What? Like, you have no idea. I am such a fan of coriander and olive. That smell, you guys, it is like to die for. It is my favorite smell ever, and I cannot wait to open and see what this is all about. It's a little taped because I wanted to make sure which side was up, but obviously we know. I'm just so excited. Thank you so much, Fruits and Passions, for this box. This was sent to me by PR. I'm so like blown away. It's amazing. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole and I do weekly videos for you guys. And anyways, I'm getting a little hot. So I took off my jacket, but it was like the look I was going for. But anyways, I don't know what's happening. I'm just so excited to open this box, but you guys want to see what's in this box, so let's not keep you waiting anymore. So let's get into the video. So as I begin to open this box, it is gorgeous. Oh, it is gorgeous and green. It's not like, you know, it's whatever. Anyways, okay. So I have a little card here by Fruits and Passions, and it says, "Hey Leslie, I hope you will enjoy this little discovery set I put together for you. There are some of your classics, but I will make sure you get our upcoming new products. Thank you for your interest. Best, Lauren." So that's from Lauren, Fruits and Passions. And I got, just kind of slipped out, I got a mask, and it is a cucumber mask, face mask, which I can't wait to try. So there's that. The next thing, I'm gonna peel off the layers. Oh my gosh, so everything, oh, something's out. Oh, so the first thing that I got is Aloe, Fruits and Passions. It's a body scrub bar. I'm so excited. Oh, this is in pure peony. Oh my God. Peony and pear together. Oh, I can't wait to, I want to open it, you know, but I'm going to open it. I'll insert pictures, you know. And then the next thing, I got this little guy. Oh my goodness. So it's Aloe, Fruits and Passions. It is passion flower, and it's a body mist, which I can't wait. Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh my God, sorry. It's so excited. The next thing I feel like is probably a bath bomb. Oh, it's in, yep, it's a bath bomb. And what is the smell? Orange cantaloupe. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to use this, you guys. Like, it's so, so gorgeous. I'm like dying, I'm dying. Okay. So the next thing, oh my God, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh. It is a candle, and it's sea salt and Amalfi lemon. Sea salt and Amalfi lemon. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. Like, this is incredibly cute. I cannot wait to use it. Like, candles are so special to me. I love them. And this cool, like, top to close it. It's really cool. Oh my God. I'm gonna die. This is Cucina Fruits and Passions. It's in sea salt and Amalfi lemon, which is amazing. And I get to use this all day, every day to wash my hands and the kids' hands. That's a plus. Ah, you guys, I am dying. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my God, shower gel. So I have the shower gel in pure peony, which is obviously amazing. Good thing it's protected. Oh, I can't wait to shower with this, you guys. Like, I can't wait to be fresh and so clean, because now with the gym, it's like I have to shower real quick. Like, as soon as my workout's done, I gotta shower real quick and all that jazz. So the next thing is this little guy. Oh, it's like forever. Hand cream, and it's an ocean flower. How cute. And oh, the seal again. That's good. It's really good. I don't understand how products have the seal and some don't. It's super weird. Oh my God. If it's hand cream, let's put some on. Oh my goodness, that is ocean flower. Oh, that smells like the ocean. Oh, it smells like, it's not a beach or vanilla coconut. It's like a breezy, airy kind of smell. So good. God, I'm so excited. Okay, last thing is this little guy, or big guy. I'm gonna die. You guys, this is the stuff I've been talking about. This is what they are made. This is what their brand is all about. It is the coriander and olive hand soap. Oh, I am dying. This stuff is like heaven. If you like, they have those big jugs that the refill. I bought so many of those, and then in Winnipeg, one of the stores closed down, so I was really upset about it. But like, this is a gem. This is like my ultimate favorite hand soap by far. It is perfect for all year round. Like, seriously, I cannot get enough. Thank you so much to Fruits and Passions. You guys like exceeded yourself. I'm so blown away. I'm so excited to do this video and take products, take pictures for the blog. So you'll definitely see this in a blog post and a YouTube video, of course, as I am filming. And yeah, I am so excited. If you don't know what Fruits and Passions are, they are an amazing brand company that has all a list now, like with candles, I like didn't know. And they have bath bombs, soaps, lotions, gels, and hand creams, and especially this one, which is what they're known for, and I love it. And make sure you guys go check them out. I'll leave them linked down below and where you can find all these products. So what I had received. And make sure you guys go check them out, and hopefully they're available in your local, you know, store, mall, or in your city. That would be, that like, you will be blown away, and I promise you will not regret it. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for just everything, and thanks. I don't know what else to say, but thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to know a little bit more of Fruits and Passions and how amazing they are and their products. You guys, the smell is impeccable, and it doesn't dry out your skin, because I have tried it for years and they are absolutely amazing. So make sure you guys go check them out and tell them that I sent you. And that's about it. So like I said, we'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what is your favorite product from Fruits and Passions. I would love to hear from you, and as well as what you want to see in the next video. I am filming a couple videos, so I would like to know what you guys want to see, because I do everything for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because you want to be in the loop with me, right? That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you next week. Bye! Mwah.